Hi, Joey. I really miss you. I'm glad you came to see me today on the video. We're going to do a few math sentences, and we're going to do a math story. So, I have 4 markers, but I need 2 more. So I went into my other room and I came back with 2 more. I started out with 4, and I added 2 more. So how many do I have altogether? So we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write that down. Okay, you help me. All right, so I had 4 markers, and then I added 2 more, and then we're going to write that equal sign. So here we go. So let's just draw it out. Okay, so we had 4 markers. Alrighty, and then we added 2 more markers. So let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, 4 plus 2 equals 6. Okay. Let's do another one. So I had a piggy bank. Well, it's not actually a piggy bank. It's a Lincoln bank. So I'm going to start out putting 3 pennies in my Lincoln bank. 1, 2, 3. I want to put 2 more pennies in my Lincoln bank, so here we go. Remember, we started out with 3. I put 3 in my bank, so now we're going to add 2 more. 2. But how many do we have altogether? I started out with 3, and I added 2 more, so let's write it down. Okay. So I started out, I put 3 pennies in my Lincoln bank, and then, let's see, draw those pennies right here. And now, remember I added 2 more pennies? So 3 plus 2, and there's our 2 pennies. How much is that going to equal? Let's count it all together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. 5 altogether. I hope I end up with a lot more than 5 pennies in my penny bank, but that's what our math sentence says. Okay, how about one more? I found an old box, and in this old box there are rusty keys, okay? So how many rusty keys do I have in my box? I have, let's see, 1 rusty key, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 rusty keys in my box. But I'm going to take away 3 of those keys. So, taking away 1, 2, 3 of the keys. Remember, I started out with 6? All right, so we're going to write that down. I started out with 6 rusty keys. Okay, so there's 1. Boy, those are goofy looking keys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm taking away, so I'm going to put the minus sign there. How many did I take away? I think I took away 3. So I'm just going to mark out those 3. How many do I have? How many rusty keys do I have left in my box? I've got 1, 2, 3 left. So 6 minus, wait a minute, 6 minus 3 equals 3. That's all I have left. Okay, we're going to do one last thing. Do you remember when we used to do sight words and we would highlight the words that we saw in the sentence? So we're going to start, okay, with a sentence. And I've got my sentence and I've got my wonderful highlighter. Okay. So the word we're going to be looking for today is the word it. Okay, in this sentence. I think I've got, how many sentences do I have? 1, 2 sentences. So we're going to find the word it. And we're going to highlight it when we find it in the sentence. So, what day is it today? Did you see the word it? What day does that look like that? Yep, it sure does. So I'm going to highlight the word it. Now the next sentence. We will get it done. We will get it done. Do you see a word that looks just like that? The word it? Let's see. We will get it done. Yep, you're right. There it is. I'm going to highlight that word. Good. Okay, we're going to do another one. I'm going to do the word and. There's the word and. Okay, I've only got one sentence here. Let's read it together. The boys ate ice cream and hot dogs. Now, do you see the word and in that sentence? The boys ate ice cream and hot dogs. I bet you do. Let's highlight it together, okay? And there it is. The boys ate ice cream and hot dogs. Boy, does that sound good. We're going to highlight the word and. All right, here's another one. The word yes. Okay, there's only one sentence. Let's read it together. The teacher said yes. Don't you love it when the teacher says yes? There it is. Can you find it in the sentence? The teacher said yes. There's the word yes. It matches that one, so let's highlight it. Here we go. Okay, can you do one more? Yeah, you can do one more. I think you're going to like this one. This is the word the. We're going to find that in 2 sentences, okay? The word the. Joey kicked the football. Can you find the word the in that sentence? Joey kicked the football. Look at there. Does it match? Yep, it does. There's the word the. I bet you've been kicking a lot of footballs while you've been off. One more sentence. The kicker missed. Oh dear. The kicker missed. There's the word the that we're looking for. Can you see it? The kicker missed. Oh dear. Look, it's right at the very beginning. So we're going to highlight the word the. Okay? All righty. So let's see. We went over the word it. and, yes, and the last one, the. It and yes, the. Really good, Joey. Okay. Well, I will probably be seeing you again on video, and I'm really missing you, and I hope you had fun with our little lesson. Okay. Bye, Joey.